Alright, you guys, it's that time of the month again where we are cleaning off March's tray, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with April's tray. So yeah, as you can see, there are a couple things missing off of this tray. I think 2 perfumes are missing. One I end up giving away, and then the other one I used all the way up. And then we're gonna switch this Bodycare out as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So starting off with April's tray, we have Ariana Grande Cloud Pink. This is the only cloud that I own. It's the only one I really enjoy, and I enjoy this one because it has a pineapple note in here, and I do pick up that pineapple. So I wanted to go ahead and pull this out. I also have some Sol de Janeiro products that I want to be using up for the month of April. That video should be up, I don't know, later this week, maybe next week. But yeah, I have some products in there that I want to be using in conjunction with this, and I was just craving this scent. It is a really nice, soft, sweet, airy type of fragrance with a hint of sweetness from that pineapple, so I do enjoy this one. So I'm happy to be adding her to the tray. Alright, moving on, this next fragrance is another Mimic fragrance. This is Mimic 166, and this is a blend of Marshmallow Gourmands, and this is my newest one that I recently hauled for you guys. This one smells very much like Kayali Jean Bougie Marshmallow. It's a really good dupe for this one. As you can see, I've already put a little dent in her, and I've only had her about a week or so. So yeah, I'm excited to be playing with her. Alright, the next fragrance coming to the tray is going to be from Bath & Body Works, and this is my Gingham Fresh. I got this one a couple years ago. I decided to play with her. Yeah, I do have some products from this line that will be in my project Use It Up for April. So again, be on the lookout for this, but this is a really nice green fresh type of fragrance. Like, it's kind of self-explanatory, and I really like this one. Definitely perfect for springtime. So yeah, I'm excited to play with her. This next fragrance is a dupe for one of my all-time favorite fragrances. This is by Afnan, and this is Mystique Bouquet. You guys, she's already been on the tray. Like, I did this tray a couple days ago, so I already kind of knew the fragrances I wanted to put on the tray. Y'all, the dent is denting in this, but if you don't know, this is an amazing dupe for Valaya, you guys. Like, this one is so good. It's a little bit less screechy than the original Valaya, but y'all, look, like, I have really been using this one. I have been adoring her since I got her last year. It was so good, and since I wasn't quite ready to put Valaya on the tray, but I did want that Valaya feel, I decided to go ahead and bring her out. This is one I know for a fact if I use this up, I would repurchase because it's that good. This is from the brand True Fragrance, and this one is Pistachio Delight. And since I've really been enjoying my pistachio from Bath & Body Works, I still wanted to add a little bit of gourmandness to this. Sprayed this on the other day, and it smelled really nice. I haven't really used this since I got it last year. When I got it, I think I probably used this once or twice, and if even that, to bring her out. Next True fragrance is going to be Strawberry Macaroon, and you know, but again, these can be found at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Very inexpensive. This smells like nice candied strawberry. It's a little airy too, but very sweet and candy like. Not so much like, not like real strawberries. It's not overly creamy. It's just a really nice strawberry candy, almost a little artificially scent, but I wanted to put her on the tray. I'm going to be putting 2 of my Juliana's Perfumes fragrances on the tray this month. This first one is Miss Fuchsia, and I will link the videos that I did talking about these, but this is a dupe with 2 fragrances combined. I think it's Princess and Oriana. These are combined to make this. It's a really nice marshmallow fluffy type of fragrance, and y'all know I've been obsessed with my marshmallow fragrances lately, so yes, I had to put her on the tray. One I wanted to bring to the tray is called Ethereal Bloom, and nice floral for this time of the year, so I wanted to put her on the tray. Blur's Mood Ring, and it's a lot of green on my tray this month, but you guys, this fragrance has been such a good fragrance for me lately. It's kind of like a musky skin scent, but y'all, this one has like a gummy bear note in here that is so delicious. Some people say they don't get it. I really get it. It really picks up on my skin. I really enjoy this one, and my best friend complimented me on this fragrance, and she hates everything, so it gotta be nice if she actually likes something. But yeah, as you can see, this dent is just from wearing it really the last couple of days. I really have been enjoying this one, and I wanted to put her on the tray. Is by Zara, and this is Fields at Night, and I really don't wear this one all that much. I really forgot what's in here. I've probably worn this like once. I want to be able to use this and put a little bit of a dentage in here or something. I want to say this has some creamy notes in it, some sweet notes or something. I can't remember, but I remember this just smelling really nice, and for those days that I don't want anything overly candied, sweet, airy, if I want something a little bit on the more gourmand side, and this is not overly gourmand or anything like that, but it will give me a little bit of that like touch that I'm looking for, this one and the pistachio one. So I wanted to add her to the tray. All right, so now I'm going to add another fragrance that is older and it's discontinued. This was by KKW, and this is Nude Skin, and I love pulling this one out a lot of the time during the season in the spring because this has a ginger note in here, and it just reminds me of like fresh cut grass. I'm not sure what it is in here. I think it's some green notes in here as well. It just reminds me of grass, and for those days that it's really hot outside and I want something nice and refreshing, this definitely puts me in the mind of that. I definitely have a lot of airy, lightweight fragrances on the tray this month, but yeah, I wanted to put her on here because I haven't worn her in quite some time. Last fragrance I'm going to be bringing to the tray is by Versace, and this is the Eros Perfume. This is the EDT. I fully planned on using this one up this month. My way last month, so I know it's not going to be any problem, but you just best to believe that this is going to be another fragrance that I eventually pick up. Not right now, but I am going to pick her up probably before the summer is over, just so I can have her, and definitely in a bigger bottle. I moved my little container with all of my travel sizes in here so you can see what's in here for the month. I did switch them out from last month. I usually switch them like every 2 months. So there are some new things in here. So as you can see, I have my Ariana Grande pink in here just to have a travel size. I had to add this new fragrance by Decor. This is the Mochi Milk that I talked to you guys about. Then I have some of my Bath and Body Works, the Pistachio Glaze. I also have the strawberry one in here. I still want the other one, which is I Am Her. I still want that one. I have the Kayali Marshmallow in here. I don't really need this in here, but I just want to keep her in here anyway. As you can see, mine is definitely getting a little darker. I also have my Nest Santa Barbara Strawberry Perfume Oil in here, spring and summer. I still have this little bit of my Valentino Coral Fantasy in here that I'm going to be using up this month. I also have my new 7 Virtues Clementine Dream, which I really want the full size of that. I have the brand new Kayali in here, so I want to start playing with that. And then the last thing in here is my Marc Jacobs Perfect, because I was trying to see if this is a scent that I like enough to get the Bath and Body Works version, but I haven't really played with that. So these are all the fragrances that are going to be in here. Yep. this is my tray for the month of April. Now I normally have fragrances over here on the side that I put to use, but right now I'm kind of doing a, I'm pulling some Bath and Body Works stuff out for another video. But yeah, so I don't really have any sitting up here, but I do have a few that I'll probably have up here once I do my project Use It Up for April. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in another one. Bye guys.